Do you want to be the woman every eye follows the second she walks in? There is an amulet exactly for that. This is the rune formula for female attractiveness. In the end of the video I will show you how to activate it. The runes are Fehu, Kenas, Otala, Runio. The rune Fehu is the rune of the material energy. It means the beauty, energy and attraction will be manifested in the material world as actual attraction and actual actions. Kenas is the rune of passion, a rune of romance, a rune of the fire that's burning in your eyes and in your soul that naturally attracts other people. The rune Otala is the rune of the female energy, rune of the ancestral energies, rune of a healthy and strong family. So this rune will ensure that all this feminine energy will result in a constructive outcome of creating a family. So if that's not your goal, better choose a different rune formula. The rune Runio is the overall rune of joy and pleasant communication. Together these four runes will ensure that you are attractive and that your feminine energy is manifesting in a constructive manner. An appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this: by the power of these runes, my female energy and attractiveness will be greatly improved, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in the description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.